Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how value error, too many values to unpack, expected to. This error message typically occurs when you are trying to unpack more values than there are variables to store them in. For example, if you have a tuple with 3 elements, and you try to unpack it into 2 variables, you will get this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. The above code will raise a value error, too many values to unpack, expected to, because there are 3 values in the tuple, but only 2 variables to unpack them into. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the number of variables you are using to unpack the values matches the number of values you are trying to unpack. For example, if you have a tuple with 3 values, you need to use 3 variables to unpack it. Let's run this code. Here is the output. In the above example, the underscore variable is used to ignore the 3rd value in the tuple.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.